ESD, electrostatic discharge, flooring tiles are essential in a variety of industrial environments where controlling static electricity is critical to protecting sensitive equipment and ensuring workplace safety. Electronics manufacturing. In electronics production, even the smallest electrostatic discharge can damage components like microchips and circuit boards. Static PVC flooring tiles are designed to safely dissipate static electricity, preventing costly damage and improving the overall quality of the manufacturing process. Their durability and resistance to wear make them ideal for high-traffic areas in these environments. Data centers. Data centers house sensitive servers and IT equipment that are highly vulnerable to ESD. ESD vinyl flooring tiles provide a stable, static-controlled environment, ensuring the safety and longevity of critical systems. The static tiles' ease of maintenance and resistance to chemical exposure also make them a perfect fit for this high-demand environment. Healthcare facilities. Hospitals and healthcare settings use ESD control flooring tiles to protect sensitive medical devices and equipment, such as diagnostic tools and imaging systems, from the dangers of electrostatic discharge. The ESD tiles also contribute to a clean, sterile environment, which is essential in areas like operating rooms and laboratories. Anti-static flooring tiles are highly versatile and adaptable, providing essential static control in a wide range of industrial environments. Their reliability, durability, and ability to protect equipment and personnel make them a crucial component in ensuring safety, productivity, and quality across various sectors.